Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. Perhaps you've heard of the menstrual disc. Maybe you've been a little bit scared to use it like I was. I'm super happy that I did use it, and I got this brand, the Pixie Cup, and this disc has been amazing. So because I was a first-time user, I was nervous about the menstrual disc getting stuck and not being able to take it out. That's why I'm really happy that this one actually comes with a little string that you can pull, and this is made of silicone. Once you get used to using it, you can cut this off, but if it doesn't bother you, honestly, I don't even feel the string, so I leave it there. It gives me more of a safety. But once you get used to using it, you could cut this off. And I really like the fact that this is reusable, so even better for the environment, right? It's simple to put in. Honestly, it comes with instructions, so just following the instructions, I found it pretty easy to use. And I will say that the first couple times I used it, I had to get used to it. But after that, it was a breeze, honestly. So I will not be going back to using anything that I was using before. I will continue to use this disc. Once it's in place, you don't feel it. It stays in for hours. And it's just been such a great tool that I have found during menstruation. So if you're thinking about trying it, I would definitely try this brand. It comes with also some lubricant, and it also comes with wipes. So I love this. I'm really happy with the Pixie Cup disc, and that's my point of view.